Are you looking to transform your healthcare career and transform your practice with patients? My name is Karen Raya, and with my injection training, I have been training providers for 12 years on ultrasound-guided, hands-on injection training. One thing that I absolutely love about being able to train providers is, first off, as a nurse practitioner new into this space many years ago, I wish I would have had somebody that helped me through this and actually pulled me through the hands-on training and the mentorship afterwards. With my injection training, the key component is the hands-on training. That's just essential. What is the anatomy? How do I get the needle in view? What is the angle of the needle? So all those hardware parts and pieces of the hands-on learning. The other thing is, what am I trying to solve for the patient? And putting together all the puzzle pieces of the musculoskeletal exam, the orthopedic testing. What did they say in their history so that I can connect the dots so that I make sure I've got correct differential diagnoses. I'm doing a very thorough ultrasound-guided diagnostic scan examination so that allows me to have the best possible treatment outcome. So as a provider, I've got confidence in knowing what am I ordering and why? What am I looking to solve for the patient? And then from a skill set technique perspective, how do I get the best possible injection with solid documentation from a legal liability standpoint for that patient? So these are all things that I love to be able to train and go through in the 3-day training course with my injection training. We are focusing on longevity and regenerative treatment. This is an industry that is growing at such a fast pace. So many patients are coming in and they're wanting regenerative medicine. They're wanting longevity treatments. You can increase your skill set, increase your knowledge base, and learn from experts on what are the treatments that are up and coming, what are your patients asking for, and really sharpen that skill set and feel confident so that you can deliver these things to your patients. If you have any questions about the video, comment below. We will be happy to answer them.